Hello again, let me introduce this picosure laser machine. This is for the tattoo removal and the pigmentation removal and skin rejuvenation, and I will show you how to use it. And this one is the big power, so it is very effective for the tattoo removal. And I will show you how to use it and the power. Okay, let me introduce the handle. This is the handle, the laser handle. And this is it has 3 treatment pro. And this is the 3 treatment pro for the machine. This one is the black dot for the carbon peeling. This one for the skin rejuvenation. And this one is 2-in-1. This is the 1064 nanometer and the 532 nanometer. This one is for the all kinds of the tattoo removal. This one. And we can see this is the logo for the handle. This is the logo here. And this one is the 755. This one is also can do the skin rejuvenation and the pigmentation removal. Okay, this is what we showed how to install this treatment pro. Okay, and remember this tube to install to the treatment pro. Okay, and this one we need to install to the treatment pro. Okay, then we can do the treatment. Okay, this is the interface, and here we can choose the wavelength. Okay, it's 1064 nanometers, and this one is 532 nanometers, and this one is 785 nanometers. The different wavelength can do the different treatment. This is 1064 nanometers. And in this interface, we can see the energy. We can see the minimum is 0.1 joules. Okay, and the max is 2 joules of the energy. And this is the frequency. The minimum is 1 hertz. And the maximum is 10. Okay, and here we can see the spot size. This is 4. And we can adjust from here. Okay, the spot size we can adjust. For example, now it's 4, now it's 5. And then we can adjust 6 and 7. So the maximum is 10. Okay, this is, we can adjust the spot size. Now we adjust 10, okay, and here. And here the interface, we also can see it is 10. So we can adjust the spot size from the treatment pro. And this is the laser, the red spot. And here is the information of the handle, the machine. And this is the setting. And this is the counter. Okay. For example, if we are the first time to use it, we can adjust it from the lower intensity, lower energy first. Then we can adjust, increase the energy according to the customer's feeling. And this is the frequency. We can adjust the minimum, and this is the energy. Okay, the spot size. Okay, we can adjust the spot size to 3. Okay, 3. Spot size is 3. Okay, then we can do the testing on the paper. Because this is the 1064 nanometer, so it's suitable for all kinds of the tattoo removal. For example, the black tattoo or the brown tattoo and the blue or the green and the colorful tattoo. Okay, we can test it on the black paper to see the energy. Okay, ready. And remember to use this is the small tips. Okay, and then we can increase the frequency. The frequency is fine. Okay, and then the speed will faster than before. Okay, and then we can adjust the spot size. This is the max. The max is 10. Okay, very powerful, and the red paper become white. Okay, and we can change another treatment pro for the treatment. And this is the black dot. We need to use this one first to install to the handle. Then we can install the pro. Okay, and for the black dot, we also need to use the 1064 nanometers to do the treatment. And this is the red spot. This is the red spot, and we can click it. This is the red spot, and then we can click it. to be bigger. The reservoir is bigger than before. Now it is already without the reservoir. We can click here to open the reservoir or turn off the reservoir. Okay. Okay, before the treatment, we need to adjust the suitable parameters. We can adjust it from the lower energy first. For example, we can adjust 0.5 joules in the frequency. We can adjust 4. Okay, and then here we can see the spot size. It is a standard spot size, so we don't need to adjust it. And this is the red spot. And here we can click start. Okay, before the breakdown treatment, we need to apply the carbon gel to the treatment skin. And then we need to wait it be dry. Wait it dry, then we can do the treatment to apply it evenly. Okay, the interface we can adjust from the lower energy first, then and the frequency. The frequency also means the speed. So if we use frequency 1 hertz, and the speed will be different. Okay, and then we can click start. Okay, we can see the red spots on the skin. Okay, the frequency is 1, so the speed is slow. Okay, before the frequency is 1, and then we adjust to 5, and the energy before is less, so we can adjust to 0.5 joules. Okay, and then click start. Okay, if we use the 755, and then we can click the screen. 785 nanometers, this one. And it will become clear. And the energy max is 1. The frequency is safe. Okay, and then we can do the testing. Okay, for this one is the 755 treatment probe, and we need to hold the black tubes into the laser handle and then install it. Okay, that's okay. This one is only for the 1064 and the 532 nanometers treatment probe, and this one and the black door don't need the tube. That's okay. Okay, this one is the air cooling machine. It is for the calm down your skin when you do the treatment from picosecond laser, and when you do the tattoo removal and maybe you will feel hurt. So you can use the air cooling machine to calm down your skin